Graph the numbers -1, -3, the absolute value of -4, and the absolute value of -1 on the number line. To graph these numbers, we need to find them on the number line and then place a point at that location. We'll start with -1. We have a number line from -3 to 4. We find -1 and we plot a point at that location. We then have -3. Similarly, we'll find -3 on this number line and plot a point at that location. We then have the absolute value of -4. The absolute value of -4 is the distance of -4 from 0 on the number line. So the absolute value of -4 is 4, and we'll find 4 on the number line and plot a point there in order to graph the absolute value of -4. Finally, we have the absolute value of -1. The absolute value of -1 is 1, so we find 1 on the number line and place a point at that location to plot the absolute value of -1.